Rice Krispies, peanut butter, and a whole host of goodies. Here at the zoo, life is enriching. At Riverbanks, we provide our animals daily with enrichment practices. And in this All Access Riverbanks, we're going to take a look at some of those, well, wildly inspiring practices.
Enrichment is something that we do here at Riverbanks every single day. It's in our keeper protocol, and what we do here, the main focus is to give animals a choice. Give them something novel for their environment, something to interact with, something to do, something fun, something new. So we do all kinds of things. We manipulate the diet by maybe a little bit of peanut butter with a couple monkey biscuits, kind of add a little flavor on that. We would maybe sprinkle some food with a little bit of cinnamon, but not everything is food. Some of it is we put the food in these things called puzzle feeders, which is really a cool thing that we can hang in an exhibit, like maybe for a monkey, and we can put little treats in there, sunflower seeds, and they actually have to work at getting the food out. And that is something that they would normally do in the wild. And so we're trying to simulate some of the behaviors that you would see an animal in the wild doing. Sometimes we do some really fun events at the zoo. We have Enrichment Day every year, and then we have Pumpkin Smash Day here too, which is fun. So we make some paper mache type items that are completely edible. The paint that we have for the animals to paint with, the elephant painting, is completely non-toxic, so it's all safe and approved by the veterinarians. And we give them sometimes on Valentine's Day different colors of crepe paper, which they can just shred and carry around and have kind of a fun thing to do with that. Sometimes we use these wonderful boxes that our volunteers donate, which is really awesome. We don't necessarily give them the box of Rice Krispies, but we would use this box to put in bananas and fruits and vegetables, and then we kind of stuff it all and put it up underneath a rock or something like that, so the gorillas would have to look for it. This is something really neat that a lot of people like to buy at a local animal supply warehouse. It's called a Kong toy, and it's a Weeble Wobble, which is kind of neat. It has like a sandy area underneath here. It has some beads in it, so it's kind of weighted. You can put dog food in here. You can put it on the ground, and the dog can move it around. And these things actually come out, and it's kind of a fun thing to do. Instead of giving the dog its food just in a bowl, you can actually put the kibble in here and they can maneuver around. We do enrichment every single day, not necessarily always on exhibit, but behind in some of the backup areas as well. But if you look at any of the animal exhibits around here, you will find something in there. Whether it's a hammock where the animals can lay up high, whether it's a heating pad where the reptiles can lay on and get warm, whether it's a natural exhibit like this is really enriching because we have water, we have grasses, we have rocks, we have trees. So just the basic design of the exhibits itself is pretty enriching. So enrichment here is an everyday type thing that we do. And some of it's naturalistic and some of it is kind of artificial too. So on enrichment days, we do a lot of the artificial stuff. It's really fun for the kids to come out and see.
You also can play a role in animal enrichment. To learn how, visit riverbanks.org. Thank you for joining us. We hope to see you next time on All Access Riverbanks.